This is Lab 6, Activity 1, and I'm going to start off by making the 0.1 m sodium acetate solution. So I'm going to start off by taking my balance and tearing a weigh boat on it. And I'm going to grab my sodium acetate and weigh 0.41 grams of the sodium acetate. So that's a little bit more than I need. So now it's at 0.42 grams. So I'm going to use that, and I will be placing it into the, I believe it's the graduated cylinder. Yes. Okay, so now that I have the sodium acetate in here, I'm going to put water that I have here in a large cup, and I'm going to fill it all the way up until the 50 milliliter mark. And that is 50 milliliters of the water and sodium acetate. So now I'm going to put it into the sodium acetate cup. And I am going to be mixing the solution with the pipette that I have. So now I have made the sodium acetate solution, and now I'm going to add about 100 milliliters of water to the cup that is labeled water. So I'm going to take the water that I have here, pour it into the beaker, and that is exactly 100 milliliters of water. So now I'm going to take this and put it into the cup. And so now I have my water. This is Lab 6, Activity 2, and I've already created the 4.7 buffer solution, and so now I'm going to take 2 milliliters of the 4.7 and place it in all 6 wells of the first row. So this is for well 1. This is well 2. Well 3. This is for well 4. Well 5. And lastly, this is for well 6. So now I have the first row completely with the 2 milliliters of the 4.7 solution. So next I'm going to dilute 5 milliliters of the buffer solution with 15 milliliters of purified water, and this will be the first dilution that I put into the second row.